students, in last video we have solved some problems related to application of definite integral. Let us solve some more examples in this video. So the example is that find the area of ellipse. The equation of ellipse is given, that is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. Okay, so we have given the ellipse, okay, with equation x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. So let us find out the area of ellipse. Before going to find out, let us draw the diagram of ellipse. Suppose this is the ellipse, and we know that in this equation of ellipse, here origin 0 to a, and that is 0 to a, this is 0 to minus a, okay, and this is, that is AOP. This AOP is the major axis, and this ROQ, this is the minor axis. So to find out the area of ellipse, that is by symmetry of ellipse, required area of ellipse is 4 times the area of the region, that is OPQO, this area, okay, this area, okay, in first quadrant, this is the area in first quadrant, and total area equal to 4 times the area of OPQO, okay, and for this region the limits of integration from x equal to 0 to x equal to a, okay, because we know that this is the ellipse, and in this ellipse the distance OP equal to a, okay, and distance OA is also a, okay, but the coordinates of the point P are a0 and coordinates of a minus a0, because negative x-axis, positive x-axis. So here area of ellipse equal to 4 times the area of OPQO, okay, in this way, and here limits of integration from 0 to a. So here the equation of ellipse equal to x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. As we are going to take the limits of integration from x equal to 0 to x equal to a, that means we will integrate with respect to x, and therefore here y square upon b square equal to 1 minus x square upon a square, okay, and this is equal to a square minus x square upon a square, okay, and y square equal to b square upon a square into a square minus x square. Now squaring, taking square root on both sides, this implies y equal to b upon a into square root of a square minus x square. Now area of ellipse equal to 4 times the area of OPQO. This is equal to, this OPQO means area 0 to integration 0 to a, that is y with respect to dx. And what is the y function? The y function is this, and this is equal to 4 times 0 to a b by a square root of a square minus x square with respect to x. Okay, and this is equal to area of ellipse equal to 4b upon a, and we know that integration of square root of a square minus x square by direct formula, that is special type of integral, this is x upon a square root of a square minus x square plus a square upon 2 sine inverse of x upon a. Limits of integration 0 to a. Now put upper limit minus lower limit. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit, and this is equal to 4b upon a. The value of x is 0 to a. The value of x is limits of integration 0 to a. So here a upon a square root of a square minus a square, the value of x is a, plus a square upon 2 sine inverse of a upon a, and minus, now the lower limit put x equal to 0, and that will be 0, and this is equal to 4b upon a upon a get cancel. Okay, now a square minus a square, the first term get cancel here, plus that is 0 plus a square upon 2, and sine inverse of a by a is 1, and sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. This is pi by 2. So here a get cancelled. Okay, this a get cancelled, and now that is 4b upon 2 sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So, and into this a square get cancelled, a is there, 4 get cancelled, and area of ellipse is pi AB. This is the area of ellipse equal to area of ellipse, given ellipse. Okay, in this way we can find out the area of ellipse like this. Okay, now the next question is that find area of region bounded by y equal to sin x. Okay, x equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 2, and the x-axis. Okay, so before going to solve the problem, first draw the diagram. So student, the curve is y equal to sin x. The sine curve, you know that like this curve is there. Okay, this is the sine curve. Area of region bounded by y equal to sin x. You know that the sine curve is like this, in this way. The curve is there. But suppose on x-axis 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, like this. Okay, and here limits of integration 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 means only up to this. Only on the x-axis pi by 2, we have to find out the area of this region. Okay. So here the area of required area, or the shaded portion area. So required area equal to that is y with respect to x, limits of integration 0 to pi by 2. Okay, 0 to pi by 2. So what is the y function? Y function is sin x. Sin x 0 to pi by 2, integration with respect to x. integration of sin x is minus cos x, 0 to pi by 2, and that is required area. So take the negative sign outside, and that is cos pi by 2 minus cos 0. And you know that cos pi by 2 is 0, minus cos 0 is 1, and minus minus plus 1. Okay, and this is the area, that is area A equal to 1 square units. Don't forget to give the units. 1 square unit is the required area. Okay, now another example is that find area of the region, bounded by the line y equal to 2x, x-axis x equal to 0, x equal to 5. Okay, so to find out area, let us draw. Suppose this is x-axis, this is the y-axis. On x-axis the scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. So the line y equal to 2x. So students, this line is y equal to 2x means y minus 2x, or 2x minus y equal to 0. As the constant term is not there, the line is passing through origin. So this is the line. At x equal to 0, y equal to 0. At x equal to, that is as y equal to 2x means when x equal to 1, y equal to 2. Okay, at x equal to 1, y equal to 2, in this way. And now suppose x equal to 1, y equal to 2, in this way the line is there. Now we have to find out the area bounded by the line y equal to 2x, x equal to 0 to x equal to 5. Means up to this we have to find out the area. Okay, x equal to 0 to x equal to 5 means this area 0 to 5 bounded by the line, okay, that is y equal to 2x, the x-axis. Okay, then x equal to 0 and x equal to 5 means this much area we have to find out. Okay, this much area we have to find out. To find out this area, let here required area A equal to function y with respect to x. So area A equal to, what is the function? Y equal to 2x. This is the function. Y equal to 2x means 2x with respect to x. And limits of integration from x equal to 0 to x equal to 5. So limit of integration we are taking as according to x, because the integration with respect to x, we are integrating with respect to x. So 2 as a constant, integration of x with respect to x by using x raised to n formula, that is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. This is integration of x raised to n with respect to x. Okay, by using this formula. Now x square upon 2, limits of integration 0 to 5. So these 2 get cancelled, and area equal to upper limit 5, lower limit 0, that is 5 square minus 0 square, and this is equal to 25. So the required area is 25 square units. Okay, this is the required area. Okay, now the next problem is that is find area of the region bounded by x equal to 0, x equal to 5, y equal to 0, y equal to 4 and x-axis. Suppose this is x-axis, this is the y-axis. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Then the line x equal to 0, x equal to 5 and the line y equal to 0, y equal to 4. So area bounded by these lines and the x-axis. We have to find out this much area. So required area equal to y with respect to x or x with respect to y, whatever. Okay, and if y with respect to x means we are integrating with respect to x, so give the limits of integration according to x. So which are the limits of integration from x equal to 0 to x equal to 5? So x equal to 0 to x equal to 5, the limits of integration. What is the y function? So y equal to 4, okay, and y equal to 0. We can't take this y equal to 0. So we can take y equal to 4. So 4 with respect to x and limits of integration 0 to 5. So 4 as a constant. Integration of constant with respect to x is x, limits of integration 0 to 5. Okay, and so area equal to 4 as a constant, upper limit that is 5 minus lower limit 0, and this is 4 into 5, and therefore area is 20 square units. So the area is 20 square units. So students, if you want to integrate with respect to y, so you can also take integration of with respect to y. So what is x with respect to y? Like this you can integrate. What is the x equal to 5 with respect to y? But what is the limits of integration? 0 to 4. 0 to 4. Okay, and in this case that is 5x means 5 into 4. 5 into 4 the area will be same, that is 20. Anyway you can do. Okay. Now the another example is that find area of the region bounded by y square equal to x, area of the region bounded by y square equal to x and the line x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. So students, what is the function? The function is y square equal to x, and students, you know that y square equal to 4ax. This is the parabola along the x-axis. This is the parabola along the x-axis. There are 4 types of parabola, that is y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax, x square equal to 4by, x square equal to minus 4by. So this is along x-axis, y square equal to minus 4ax along negative x-axis, along positive y-axis, along negative y-axis. So this is the parabola along the positive x-axis. So we have drawn the parabola, that is y square equal to x. Okay, this is the parabola, and the line x equal to 0, the line x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. So this is the line. X equal to 4 means this line. Okay, this line. This line x equal to 4. Okay, and now to find out the area. So this is the area in first quadrant. Okay, so the shaded portion is the area in first quadrant. We have to find out the total area. So OPQO, is the shaded portion of area, and total area means this area plus this area. Okay, and that is equal to 2 times the area OPQO. Okay, so here total area equal to total area. Total area means this orange plus green shaded part. Okay, this is equal to 2 times the area of OPQO. Okay, this is now 2 times area of OPQO. Now let us find out area OPQO. So here the area OPQO means the curve. What is the curve? Y square equal to x. So here y with respect to x, and limits of integration from x equal to 0 to x equal to 4. X equal to 0 to 4. Okay, in this way. Now let us find out the y function. As y square equal to x, taking square root on both sides, so y equal to root x. Y equal to root x. So here 0 to 4 root x with respect to x. Root x means that is x raised to half. Okay, x raised to half, and 0 to 4 x raised to half, and by using x raised to n formula, that is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, n is 1 by 2, that is x raised to half plus 1 upon half plus 1. Limits of integration 0 to 4, and this is x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Okay, and area OPQO, this is equal to area OPQO equal to x raised to 3 by 2, limits of integration 0 to 4. So 0 to 4 means x put the value of x is 4. So 4 raised to 3 by 2 into this 3 by 2 means multiply with 2 by 3. Okay, minus lower limit is 0. 4 raised to 3 by 2 means 2 raised to 2 into 3 by 2 and into this 2 by 3. This is the index number, 2 get cancelled, and this is 2 raised to 3 into 2 by 3. 2 raised to 3 means 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 by 3. 16 by 3. Okay. So here the area OPQO is 16 by 3 square units, and the total area equal to 2 times the area OPQO, and this is equal to 2 into 16 by 3, and this is 32 by 3 square units. Okay, this is the required area in this way. Now let us take another example. The another example is that find area of region bounded by the parabola y square equal to 16x and its latest rectum. So students, the parabola is same time as just we have solved the problem like that. That is the parabola along x-axis. That type of parabola we have drawn the parabola, that is y square equal to 4ax. So here y square equal to 16x and its latest rectum. Students, you know that latest rectum means the line passing through the point. That is, suppose if the parabola is y square equal to 4ax, then the latus rectum. Latus rectum is the point on the x-axis, the point on the positive x-axis. Here the parabola is along the positive x-axis, therefore latus rectum is the point on the this x-axis. And which is the point of the that is, if y square equal to 4ax is the parabola, then the coordinates of latus rectum, coordinates of latus rectum are a0. So this a0 is the coordinates of the latus rectum. So in this case, what is the parabola y square equal to 16x? So compare this with y square equal to 4ax, because this type of parabola, this is the parabola and this is the given equation of parabola. Compare both and we have 4ax equal to 16x. This implies a equal to 4. So the coordinates of latus rectum are a0. Therefore, for this parabola, for the parabola y square equal to 16x, the points or the coordinates of latus rectum, are, that is 4, 0. So a0 means this is the coordinates, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, because 4, 0 is the coordinates of the latus rectum. Suppose this is the point A and coordinates of latus rectum are a0. Here a equal to 4, that's why 4, 0 is the coordinates of the latus rectum. And area of region bounded by the latus rectum. So this is the line passing through the latus rectum. Okay, and we have to find out the area. So this is the required area of the latus rectum, that is through the latus rectum, bounded by the latus rectum. So we have to find out this much area. So let us first find out the area OAPO, and the total area equal to 2 times the area OAPO. Okay, because by symmetry of the parabola, the total area, okay, by symmetry of parabola, total area equal to total area that we require, that is equal to 2 times the area OAPO, 2 times the area, 2 times the area OAPO. So let us find out the area OAPO. So here this area equal to integration y with respect to x and limits of integration 0 to a. A is 4. So 0 to 4. Okay, here like this. Now what is the y function? As y square equal to 16x, taking square root on both sides, we will get y equal to 4 root x. This is the function y equal to 4 root x. So here area OAPO equal to integration y means 4 root x, 0 to 4 with respect to x. So 4 as a constant, x root x means x raised to half, By using x raised to n formula, this is x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, limits of integration 0 to 4. 4 by 3 by 2 means this is 8 by 3, x raised to 3 by 2, 0 to 4, limits of integration. So put the limits we will get, that is 8 by 3, x means 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 0 raised to 3 by 2. So 4 means 2 square, and this is 8 by 3. 4 means 2 square into 3 by 2, get cancelled, minus 0, 2 raised to 3 is 8, and area equal to 2 raised to 3 is 8, 8 into 8 is 64 upon 3. So required area, that is area OAPO, that is equal to 64 upon 3. Okay, and now the total area equal to 2 times the area OAPO. Okay, so the required shaded portion area equal to 2 times the area OAPO, and that is 2 into 64 upon 3, and area is square units. Okay, and therefore 2 into 64 means 128 upon 3 square units. This is the required area due to the latus rectum. Okay, in this way we have to find out the area, or we can find out the area like this. Okay, so students, so let us take 2 example as a homework. So the example is that find this is the homework problem. Find the area of region bounded by x equal to 2y, x-axis, and the line y equal to 0 and y equal to 4. So this is the homework problem. Again, one more problem is there. So also take one example as a homework. The homework is there, that is find area of the region bounded by, find out area of the region bounded by y square equal to 16x, and x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. So these are the 2 problems for homework. Okay, so solve the 2 examples and send it to me. Okay.